I'm trying something experimental, and I'm using a different audio software which I can adjust separately to, just so I can adjust my voice volume separately and try and get rid of some of the audio background noise. But yeah, I don't really feel up to playing much, so I'm just gonna play around with this for my video. I've just unlocked these abilities for the Artificer, doing some practice. I don't really know a lot of what's good on the Artificer though, but I guess I can give it a try. Yeah. I'm used to play multiplayer, so I'm kind of used to a lot more chaos. Let me make sure this is working. This is still recording. Alright, yeah, it's still recording. Okay, guess let's do this. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna cut, so I guess I'll just try and chat, and maybe I'll decide I just want to like cut in when something interesting happens. Yeah, that's what I'll probably do, especially for like the first couple zones. Maybe not all of them. Alright, how does this thing work? This thing. Meh. I imagine that the Artificer might be easier in multiplayer on the hardest difficulty because you can have someone charging the turret. Not the turret, the teleporter. I have a fair amount of experience in this game. I mean, I'm no Grandmaster. I have like, I think a little over 100 hours. But yeah, again, most of that's in multiplayer, so my strategies. I've been playing more recently in single player, but still adjusting. And gonna get ya. You jump it. Good. Oh, I like the spear. That's a lot of enemies. Definitely feel the slowness of not playing a character like Huntress, though my favorite character is characters are multi-interacts. Wait, no. Yeah, that sounds right. Yeah. Get blown up, stinkies. I guess I'm gonna get this chest over here and I guess see what's in that open door area. If that's actually open. Could not be. Well, it could. Ooh, piercing. Just glad I got this goat hoof. And this red whip. So I would have heard, a band or something. But I won't complain. Anything to help speed myself up. Nice. For some reason I'm sometimes we're really lucky in this game, so, you know, maybe this will be one of those runs where for some reason I get really lucky. Alright, I'm gonna go after the teleporter now. Alright. May as well grab these chests first, that probably help speed up the teleporter. That's my third green item. None of them are extremely good, I think. Alright. Actually, I should probably stay on the ground. What is my character doing? Oh, I have to shift. I am the master of the skies. Trees protect me. Yes. Spinkies. Ah! My hubris. Last. Oh, the loading. Oh boy. Yeah, I guess the bandolier is sort of okay, just pick them up and refresh my abilities, but you know, bands would have been nice. Maybe I got to keep some of that money. I also got 6 doll hairs out of that. Hopefully this experiment that I'm doing works, because that'd be really nice if it does. Backup magazines, any at all. That is one thing I got from having or playing with my brothers, is that backup magazines are really good, and also I can just tell. I like to think I at least am okay at this game. To be in the game with a lot of the characters. Yeah, this is definitely not the sort of character I'd usually play. I'm more of a... I like playing the tanky sort of character archetype. You know what I mean? Not the wizard or the... I guess the artificer? I mean, yeah, it's artificer. You just, you know, not much of a difference, to be honest. Yeah, I do like the execute though. Give me that backup magazine. That was a pressure plate. I'll try and push this on, I guess. Oh, that's not happening. Also, plus just got destroyed. Gimme that. Uh-oh. Dang it. Critical hit. I missed. Oh, I missed. And what's in this shop? Take a gasoline. Boop, boop, boop. I like fireworks, but they aren't the best item. So I'm gonna question mark it. Hopefully I get a look back at magazine. That was completely off mark. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, I was a scrap earlier. I can scrap that. I need my one-shot protection. Ooh, stamina. Boing. Yeah. Certainly do like all the maneuverability. Honestly, might scrap the soldier syringe. Usually I'm like, ooh, soldier syringe, but it's just not really worth it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I don't know, maybe it's some reason really good on this character and I'm making a huge mistake, but whatever. Well, I guess I may as well. Nah. Also, there's Running Chance right here I forgot about. I gotta try and keep pace. Oh, my fireworks. Ooh. Building up some good speed. Needing equipment. Alright. Let's get going. Well, at least when I'm sprinting ultra fast. I'm a super awesome race car. Fools. Too many wisps. Too many wisps. Oh, wait, do I? Ooh. Oh. Was not in my intention. A lot better than getting like 2 more red whips. Boop. Could really use a backup magazine printer, or an equipment, or just more backup magazines in general. Oh, oof is also nice. Though I kinda have a lot of mobility items as it is. Items, yes. Alright, good to know I can still one-shot them. Eed. I missed. Oh, nice. Thank you again. Ooh. Haste, chill out. Wow, a lot of really good stuff for not my type of character. Again, like I just said. Sometimes it's just like that, though. I don't know, maybe if it might be better than nothing. So maybe I'll get it. This difficulty I usually... Ooh. How much is that? Alright. Well, I'm gonna be behind, but I think it's worth it. Have something to help me kill all these wisps. Blasted. You're just running away from me, you coward. You're a coward in the front. Good old Alex Jones. The wacko. Probably sounds somewhat unintelligible, but I'm sleepy, so that's my excuse. Yeah. Also my excuse for my aim being so bad. I don't want to do the triangle order. I don't think I've ever done one, but I feel like it's just asking for like all my items get turned into scrap or something. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure how they work. So I need 2,100. Best grenade. Yeah. Okay. What is that printer for? Crowbars? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Boop. Oh, I haven't forgotten about the ground. You think you can't get me? No, we can't put these specs in. Bozo. Bozo the clown. You can't get me, Sleepy. Oh! Ooh, is that a Shatter Spleen? I think that's what that boss drops. It's horrible for me. I guess it's better than nothing? If only I was playing, like, I don't know, Huntress or something. No! We still got this map, though. Still need equipment, though. Got an equipment barrel? No, I think it's just a mushroom. Yeah, it's just a mushroom. Am I hearing the Marians? The Elder of the Elder kind? Sorry if you guys don't know what this game is. I couldn't really think about the fact that some people may not know what it is, but I don't know. You find items, you get stronger. I'm playing at this difficulty, so it's gonna be a bit. It looks a bit tough. That's why. Oh, hello there. Uh-oh. Ooh. Ow, ow, ow. That was a bad move on my part. Thankfully, I have a lot of survivability items. I should have not stuck around. But you live and you learn. Ooh. Well, my brother who played this character doesn't like it when you get this item, because it messes with his flying. Which I can see, but I think you can just get used to it. I don't know. Maybe I'm underestimating how annoying it is. I guess I'll build into bleed and crit. If I get an alien head, then I guess I can still roll, but it's still not ideal. But may as well, seeing as I have the opportunity. can't get me. You can't get me. Ooh. Horrible creatures of the night. Oops. Yeah. That is a bit more spooky than the rest, but I'm flyer, so I guess it's fine. Uh-oh. Stupid, 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 stupid. Useless. I really wish I was playing nailed up multi. Yeah, that's good. Yay! Die! I love you. Die! Okay, cool. That's a lot of Souls controls doing it. I can see how the other mess him. Oof, oof, the little guys. Ooh. Ooh, the little guys. Ooh. Oh, I'm out of there. Pew! Pew! So many lasers. Wow. I've got this. Ah, first, thank you. Those aren't very good if you don't know what I got, but it's better than nothing, I guess. But not by much. Wasn't worth the extra time I wasted, probably. There we go. And now, there's something you may not know about. I don't know, it's a pretty well-known thing, but maybe you don't know about it. Gotta find some eggs to blow up. Alright. No, exactly. Deathmite? Was there a scrapper in this map? I don't remember. Because I'll scrap my squid pops with them, no problem. Let me just heal up a bit using my cautious slugs. Alright, I'm gonna hit this thing now. Yeah, I guess I'll need one more. Ah, there we go. You can't get me. These people are just lying on these. I wish I had more time. Some people have to get to the same. Yeah, push on up. And take a while, hopefully they don't know who that is. These are aliens. Yeah. I'm fighting C2 artists. I like this face. Oops. I hate this. You're so weird. That's very useful. I think I got that good though. That's what makes it good. Okay, so we're going to get that kind of master business thing. I guess that's what I'm going to do. I'm set to read. Alrighty. It's taking so long. The difficulty's jumped like 5 levels in seconds. Hopefully I get some good at this, I guess. I'll double check if I want to do this video. Might be so long to take, but I think that's okay, so, you know, see how it's easier, but there's always a business inside. I did push you. Oh! Guess I'm really close to that one. Burn! Oh! So close, so far. Ah! Finally. Ugh. I mean, I guess it's better than nothing. Oh, thank you. I guess it's not like a frost relic or something. Okay. Ooh. Alright, it's gonna be an uphill battle. I still need an equipment. Not bum goods. Better than nothing, I guess. Thank you. I guess I'll just punch Mithrix or something. At least I'm getting slightly better at eating those shots. Ooh. I gotta get out of here. Oh wow, I hit that? Nice. Wow, I'm so cool. Ow. Kahoo. I may not have a very good build, but at least when I kill something, it kills a lot of things. Oh, that's a scary enemy to see. Uh-oh, and that's it. Well, that was, I got that thing, which I think is, I don't know what it is, before I end the video, let me see. Huh. Alright, well, see ya later. Hopefully this audio thing works. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.